Hello and welcome back to another stained canvas. Today I have a really quick tip for you when you carve your pumpkin, if you decide to do surface carving of a pumpkin. Because you literally only have maybe an inch or inch and a half thickness to carve into, you're not actually going deep with your carves. So like this eyelid part of my eye here, I'm not going straight in. I'm literally making like a fold. So I'm being very shallow, but I'm making like a lip. And then by doing that lip, it adds shadow to this area. So it makes it look like a super deep cut. In reality, it's very shallow and it's not at all. And you can do this for most of your wrinklies if you're doing wrinkles. Teeth are very easy to do this way as well. You're just literally making grooves. You're not going deep, you're just doing shallow cuts. So thank you for watching. I will get back to you guys on another stained canvas. So bye for now.